Hello and welcome. Today we will make a nice home screen in Unity. In this tutorial you will learn how to make UI background using Canvas, how to make legacy button and text mesh pro button, how to set camera for render 3D character in front of UI canvas. Let's start. Here I got some images made by Illustrator. If you need more information about how to do that, please check my channel in the Illustrator playlist. Make sure all textures set to 2D sprite and UI. Sprite mode is single. Then apply. Add new UI image. Rename to background. Drag background image to sprite. Set reserve aspect. Set native size. Set game view display to full HD. Set camera projection to orthographic. Set canvas render mode to screen space camera. Drag main camera to render camera field. Set UI scale mode to scale with screen size. Set resolution to full HD. Adjust background scale to fit screen. Drag 3D character to the scene. Scale it up if it's small. Place it in the middle between camera and canvas. Now add UI image for left panel. Create an empty game object. Add grid layout group component. Set cell size to 140. Padding Y30. Add legacy buttons to the group. then at Text Mesh Pro button. Using Text Mesh Pro, we need to import packages. After import done, there are some settings for text on the right side. You can choose robotic font, set size, color, and underlay color. Now drag weapon to the scene. In next video we will make functionality for play button and create timeline for character animation. Thank you and see you in the next video. Have a nice day.